Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this amazing Kitkat Illusion Cake. Looks so professional, yet so easy to make. Start with a basic chocolate cake, rectangular shaped, and pipe on some white buttercream icing. Add on your second layer of chocolate cake, refrigerate for 15 minutes. Then turn the cake around and slice out some gaps to make fingers for the Kit Kat. We want 3 gaps. There. Now coat the entire thing in white buttercream icing. Smoothing it out. Perfect. Refrigerate for 20 minutes and roll out some brown fondant icing. We're going to coat the top part of the cake where the fingers are. This will look like chocolate. Cut out the required shape to cover the end, pressing it down with your fingers. Slicing off the excess. Then roll out some white fondant icing to cover the remainder of the cake. Covering up to where the fingers start. As you can see, we've created a kind of frill shape at the top. Slicing off the end, pressing it down. Now get some silver powder and just using a paintbrush, put it on the top part of your white fondant icing. Then roll out some red fondant and cover the remaining white part, again with a frill at the top, looking like an open wrapper, and pressing it down to cover the end this time. Slicing off the excess and carefully folding in the corners. This makes a perfect Kit Kat wrapper. And all that's left to do now is stick on the logo. And there you have it. An amazing, super professional Kit Kat Illusion Cake. All you need to do now is slice and enjoy.